Oh no! It's been raining, and the hole we worked so hard to dig is now filled with water. We need to pump it out quickly for the next stage of construction. Darn it! We need to remove the water as soon as possible to proceed with the next task. But how am I supposed to do this all by myself?
What's going on?
It rained so much that the area we were supposed to work on got flooded.
Wait, you were trying to remove all this water by hand? A pump would take care of this in no time. This is the WP30 water pump from Wusu Construction Equipment. The motor runs at 3,600 RPM, allowing it to pump 1,000 liters of water per minute.
Wow, really? But isn't it difficult to use?
Not at all. Wusu offers a variety of water pumps with different specifications, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. Even beginners and women can use them with ease. With this pump, the job got done so much faster.
Yeah, no more worries about draining water at construction sites.
And it's not just for construction sites. It can also be used at fire scenes and in agriculture.
That's amazing. I should get one for my own home.